Hey everybody, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I'm going over another Olev's watch that I had purchased last week, and I really like this one. It's a great watch. It looks beautiful. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys and see what you guys think about it. It's a little bit more technical and sporty than some of the other Olev's watches. It's not as luxurious looking, but it does have a really nice sporty quality, and it's this black one here. I really love it. I got it in the other day, and I think it quite possibly could be one of my favorite Olev's watches. Honestly, it's a really beautiful watch. It's got the tachymeter on the around the bezel, and it is just I think it's a stunning watch. It's got the black with the gold. It's got the crown emblem on the crown itself, and it is just a wonderful looking watch. It really is a great watch. I got this somewhere in the neighborhood of $40. I will post a link to this, an Amazon affiliate link below, so that you guys can pick one of these up. I definitely recommend picking this one. I mean, for some reason, this watch is very striking. I really love this watch. But yeah, I can't think of anything bad to say about this watch. I really like it. It's a beautiful looking watch. I think it's got really nice detail on the face. I love how everything just looks and feels great on this watch. The band's nice and tight. It's got a sleek black look to it. It just fits awesome. I love the rounded face with the rounded case. Everything is just nice on it. Like I said, I wasn't a big fan of these butterfly clasps, but they've grown on me, and I just really like how smooth they feel when they're on. Just a really nice watch all around. Yeah, I definitely recommend if you're looking for a nice sporty kind of sports luxury type looking watch, definitely pick one of these guys up. It's really good quality. Olev's quality watch. It's nice, looks sharp, sleek, elegant, sporty. It's got everything. It's got all of it. So once again, buy the Olev's watches. They usually come in a case. The watch is well protected when they ship it. I don't work for Olev's. I'm not sponsored by them. They haven't sent me any of these watches. I pay for these watches with my own cash. I just like them. I like watches. I'm not a jeweler. I don't open up the backs and compare mechanisms and give you all kinds of technical specs. It's just my opinion on these watches. I like them. I like watches. I like to buy good looking watches, and for me, watches are jewelry. So I think they're nice, but they all come with a band adjustment tool, a bracelet adjustment tool. Sometimes they come metal. I have noticed with these Olevs, sometimes they come metal, and other times they will come plastic. But either way, you will get a way to resize it with the and they both work. They're both good. They're both good band resizing tools. But in my experience, I'm always, even though I have my own, which is much better than these, which comes with the kit that I purchased. This is my band adjuster. So I don't typically use these or these. But if you don't have one, it's great that they do come with it, because otherwise you would have to bring the watch in to a jeweler and have them resize the band for you. And I don't know what they charge to do that, but I'll also post a link to the kit that I bought that contains this, because I will say, honestly, this is a much better tool than the ones that they give you. But like I said, for the price, you're paying $40 for this watch, and you're even getting a band resizing tool. So, and most of the times they even come with extra pins just in case you mess it up. It comes with the booklet. It comes with the certificate of authenticity tag, whatever it is. It's a certificate, product quality certificate. So these are all, I mean, they're good watches. They're budget friendly. If you want to have a nice looking watch and you don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely check out these Olev's watches. Like I said, I don't work for Olev's, and I don't have anything to do with Olev's other than my affiliate link below. And the affiliate link is for Amazon, and I just get a small percentage if you guys do buy one by clicking through that link. So if you think this is a nice watch and you want to pick one up, I would definitely appreciate it if you clicked on that affiliate link and purchased it through my link. Like I said, somewhere in the neighborhood of $40 for this watch. I can't remember exactly, but probably one of my favorite Olev's watches to date. Like I said, I use my watches for jewelry. I don't use them to tell time, and I think this is a really nice one. So, once again, if you like my content, you like these videos, you like my opinions, you have any opinions on any of this stuff, you want to say anything about any of this stuff, leave it in the comments below. Give me that thumbs up and that like, the subscribe, like, if you want to keep seeing some of these videos, definitely. Help me out here and get those likes coming in and keep those subscribers coming in. And thank you to everybody that has already subscribed. I appreciate it. And thanks for all the likes and all the love that I've been shown so far. Trying to get this channel up and running, and hopefully with your help, I'll be able to start branching out into even more watches. More brands, more watches. I'll be reviewing all types of watches. So stay tuned to my videos if you like this content. And here we go. Check out this Olev's watch. Click on that link below and head on over to Amazon and pick yourself up one. It's got free returns on it, so you got nothing to lose. Pick one up, take a look at it, and see if you like it. Once again, Dave the Watchman, I'm out. You guys have a great day. It's Monday morning, and it's beautiful weather here in sunny Florida. And hopefully you guys are having great weather where you are, and have a great day. See you guys next time.